Hi, my name is Manny Silva. I'm the owner of Creative Cabinet Designs in Boonton, New Jersey. We have been in business for over 30 years now. We use designer appliance professionally and personally for all our needs. On the personal end, for my own personal house, when I was planning it, I visited both showrooms, myself and my wife. The time that they spent with us going over each product that we were considering was the best, and they took their time, didn't rush us into anything. We took quite a while to make our decision. They did hold our hand as much as we needed, and ultimately I do believe we wound up with the appliance package that really was what we wanted, and we have our dream kitchen and our dream house. Working with design appliances as a business partner is really good. We have a really good relationship. We've been using them for many years now, and we pretty much deal with everybody there, in the sales department through the installation. All our clients really have really good experiences with them. Sometimes we have clients that we meet with that have been to other places, and once they go there, they are just really overwhelmed by the service they get there, the time that they take to really show them the product. And I always feel like they're not in it just to make the sale. They are in it to really help clients get what they want and what's best for their needs. And then beyond the sales, it's also the installation part of it. Their crews are really good at what they do. I do deal with a lot of companies that other clients use, and in my book, really, they are the best around. Their service is just incomparable, and I wouldn't use anybody else but Design Appliance for myself or my friends, or highly recommend them to anybody.
Whether you're renovating your kitchen or just need to replace an old appliance, stop by one of our showrooms in New Jersey to see our huge selection of appliances and let our team give you the guidance you need to make a selection with confidence.